Alright, grade 5 student, this is our second lecture for mathematics. You know the book, Countdown 5, right? And today we are going to do the second half of the question number 2 of part 1 on page number 1. If you remember, in the first lesson we did A, B and C of, A and B of question number 2, right? You remember that, right? Okay, guys. Now, from here onward, what I will be working on is question number C till K. Okay, guys, are you ready? All right. I'll be solving most of the questions here, and I want you guys to take care of them and revise them, do practice them at home, beta. Okay, beta? Should we be ready? Good. Question number D, beta. In a triangle AB and C, the angle BAC is equal to 70 degree and angle ABC is 45 degrees. What will be angle BCA? Right? If you guys remember, the total sum of the angles of a triangle, वो कितना होता है? Right? So if we say we have three angles, right? BAC, right, is equal to 70 degree. Angle ABC is equal to 45 degree, right? And angle BCA is equal to, we don't know, right? Right? We know that of a triangle, right? Of a triangle, the sum of all these three angles must be equal to 180 degree, right? 180 degree. If we have this triangle, right? So iska sum kitna hoga total? 80 degree, right? So we have 70 plus 45. So ye kitna banta hai? 115 degree. So this will be what? Take 115 out of 180. So we are left with 65 degree. So the answer would be 65 degrees, right? So what would be the answer for this? Angle BCA is equal to 65 degrees. So that will make it a triangle with a sum of what? 180 degrees. Is that clear? Very good job, guys. Is everybody clear, right? Good. Okay, moving to the next question. If you could see that. The next question is, what is the fraction form of 0.2, 0.05 and 0.008? We need to understand this, that whenever we are having this thing, what? Fraction of a decimal number, we simply do one thing. For example, the question is 0.2 को हमने क्या करना है? इसको fraction बनानी है. Just count the numbers, the digits after point. Point के बाद right side पे कितने digits हैं? 1. So change it. Point खत्म करके जितने भी digits हैं उतने 0 add करते हैं 1 के बाद. Right? So it will be 2 by 10. Right? 2 by 10. We can further take it like 1 by 5 भी हो सकता है. Right? But here just fraction form करनी है तो 2 by 10 is fine. Moving to the next one. 0.05, right? इसको करना है तो point के बाद कितने? 1, 2. So take the point out, add 2 zeros in it. So it will be 5 by 100. Very good job. And what about 008? How many digits? 1, 2, 3, right? So 8 by 1, 2 and 3. That will be our fraction form. Is that clear, guys? Very good. You're getting this. Good job, guys. All right. Moving to the next question, guys. What is it? If 5 pence cost rupees 20.25, how much do 2 pence cost? So how do we do that? Easy. First we need to figure out the price of 1 pen. Okay. If the cost of 5 pence, okay, cost of 5 pence, what is that, beta? 20.2025, right? The cost of 1 pen would be, how would we figure it? Divide this by 5. For example, beta, आप एक 5 balls लेते हो 10 rupees की, 5 balls लेते हो 10 rupees की, तो एक बॉल की प्राइस मालूम करने के लिए क्या करेंगे? वो 10 को 5 पे डिवाइड कर देंगे, राइट? तो आंसर वुड बी 2 rupees की एक बॉल है, राइट? तो सेम इज द केस, इफ वी नो द प्राइस ऑफ cost of 5 pence, then that is 20.25. The cost of 1 pen would be 20.25 divided by 5, right? We know this. 5 fours, right? 5 fours are 20 point, right? And then 25 है तो क्या होगा? 0.5, right? Clear, beta? So ये answer, or you can use calculator for this. 20.25 divided by 5. The answer would be 4.05. That would be the cost of 1 pen, right? And what is the question we want to solve? Cost of 2 pence, right? The cost of 2 pence. So we know the cost of 1 pen. Multiply by 2. That will be an easy one, right? So that will be the price for the cost for, right, 2 pence, 8.10. Is everybody clear? Good job, guys. Very good job. All right, guys. The next question is, we can see that this, if you guys can recognize this, this is a Roman 6, right? In Roman language, in Roman counting, it is 6, right? And this is 3. So what is the question? 6 plus 3 in Arabic numerals. You know, the Arabic 6 plus 3. Let me ask you, how would we write it in Roman? This is for 10, right? This is for 10. That is 10, right? And if we write 1 before x, that will make it 9. That is in Roman, right? In Roman. But in Arabic or English, it is simple like this. So the answer here would be 9, right? This one, right? Alright, guys, moving to the next one. 8659 divided by 100. When we have numbers like this divided by 100, 10, 1000, 10,000, 1 lakh, 1 million, so simple what we do is, okay, from right side count the number of 0 and place the point after that many digits. For example, here the question is 8659 divided by 100, right? Right? Is that clear? So the answer would be, if we do it here, divided by 100, so what would be the answer? 800, right? 65, 9, and multiply by 600, so remainder कितना होगा? 59, right? So if we divide 8659 divided by 100, the answer would be 86 and remainder 59. Right? And there's another way of doing this. What is this? 86.59. Right? That would be the question. That would be the answer. And that will be the remainder. Right? Clear? Either way you guys can do that. If you want to do it in, in your mind, fast calculation, this is an easier way. 86.59. 1, 2, उसके बाद point लगा दिया. तो 86.59 to the 86 and remainder, yes, 59. Good job, guys. Is everybody clear? Alright, moving to the next question. A room is 13 meter long and 11 meter broad. So how are we going to find the area of this? Area is, normally I told you, the area would be, what is length multiplied by width, right? That is area, right? So what is the long kitna hai? Right, 13 meters. And broad, you mean what broad means? Wide, right? 11 meter. So if we multiply by these two numbers, the answer would be 143 meters square. That is how we write it, right? So 13 meter long, 11 meter broad or wide. If we multiply it, the area is length into width, right guys? Good job, guys. Moving to the next question, beta. We have two mixed fractions, 1 by 2 plus 4, 2 by 3. First, let's make it simple, right? 2 into 2, 4 plus 1, 5 by 2 plus 3, 12, 14 by 3. Clear? Is that clear, right? Good. So, how do we do this? We have simple fractions and now we need to add them up. Is that clear? Right. So what we need, normally the best way for them is that we find the LCM of them. And if we find the LCM of them, so that would be 6. That would be 6. Right? This is one way. Another way is that we multiply these numbers with this and these numbers with this. I'm going to show you that method too. Like, this is an easier one. Let's find that LCM. So we do not have divisors for this. So if we multiply it, that will be their LCM, right? You divide this out of this. So 6 divided by 2, 3. 3 को multiply 5 से करेंगे तो it will be 15, right? 3 2s are 6, 14 2s are 28. Good. So what would be the answer? 43 by 6. And now they are asking us to convert it into decimals. 6 7s are 42. 1 point. Right? 6 1s are 6. Right? So here 6 6 are. So it may go on like this. So answer would be 7.16 here. Right guys? 7.16. Is that clear? Good job guys. You're getting it. And the last question is of today, beta, is the HCF of 28 and 56. So for them we need to find what? Right. The numbers, those can be divided by 28, right? For example, 28, इनके कौन कौन से होंगे? 1 पे डिवाइड होता है 28, 2 पे भी होता है, 3 पे नहीं होता, 4 पे होता है, राइट? 5 पे नहीं, 6 पे नहीं, 7 पे होता है, 7 4s are 14 और 28, right? Right? Same is the case with 56, राइट। तो 56 1 पे भी जाता है, 2 पे भी, 4, 7, 8, 14, 28 और 56, right? Alright guys, so we have found the factors, right? The factor of 28 what? क्या है? 1, 2, 4, 7, right? 14 and 28, right? And 56 का क्या है? 1, 2, 4, 7, 8, 14, 28 and 56, right? So what are the common here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? 1, 2 and 1, 2, right? So these are common. 1, 2, 4, 7, 14 and 28. These are common here. But which one is the highest one among all? Right, the 28 one. So the answer HCF of 28 and 56 is 28. Alright guys, is that clear? Okay, I want you guys to do practice of these questions, right, on a piece of paper in a rough register. Okay guys? Alright, hope to see you in next lecture. Better take care. Bye bye.